This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites: firmware v2, 1 or later, and a charged controller. Once done, plug Lightning Launch 2K25 into your PC's USB-C data port using the supplied cable. Avoid hubs to prevent latency. Next, install the official driver package and open the launcher app. You'll authenticate with your account so device profiles sync. That setup moves you from preparation to actionable control. Now the hardware is recognized and ready for configuration in the app. You now configure the core settings to match your playstyle. Start by selecting or creating a profile, then choose the polling rate, lower for compatibility, higher for responsiveness. Map primary buttons and adjust sensitivity curves, set dead zones to 1/4 or 0. 5. Where sticks jitter. Make sure USB mode matches your platform. Once comfortable, enable only way mode and apply the recommended firmware presets. Finally, save everything to the device's onboard memory, so your setup loads instantly on reconnect. You finish by validating and backing up the configuration. Run the launcher diagnostics, and then perform an in-game calibration to confirm axes and buttons behave predictably. Sync the profile to cloud storage and export a backup file to your PC for safety. If something goes wrong, try these steps. Reinstall the drivers, perform a device reset via the hardware pin, and swap the USB-C cable or port. If latency persists, lower the polling rate and retest. That resolves most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.